Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Iveco Daily car transporter. The vehicle is covered under manufacturer warranty, and we also applied a triple layer of Gardex nano coat over the paint to make sure no trees-up, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar is in the top spec of the Iveco Daily, which is the business, and it's in the 72.180 configuration with the Hi-Matic transmission. It comes with full LED beams at the front with LED daytime running lights as well and fog lights. It's been converted to a vehicle transporter with a rear cabin over 5.5 meters long with barn style openings on the side and a quickly accessible nook at the front from where you can access the hook to easily open the rear ramp. You also have reflectors over the side, a useful switch to turn on and off the LED lighting inside the rear. At the back you have the hydraulic operated ramp, and you can also notice the rear view camera on top of the vehicle itself. And over the hinges you also have safety locks, which you can also provide with your own key locks. Once the tail ramp is opened and extended, the ground clearance is of 20 centimeters, and you also have really useful removable sliding steps which can be stored onto the sides of the cabin itself. Inside you have all anchorage points for the ratchet straps to secure your vehicle, and you also have an adjustable wheel stopper at the front on the left hand side. As I mentioned before, the vehicle is also provided of LED cabin lights, which is toggleable from the exterior. Size-wise, it's 223 centimeters of width from wall to wall, 232 centimeters of height to the lowest point of the roof, being the center bars, and then an extensive from edge to edge 574 centimeters, including the sloped area of the flooring. You can also access the rear of the vehicle through this easy access ladder, which can be stowed onto its own storage. And then once you get into the cabin, you have a 3-seat configuration. All 3 seats are finished in onyx black fabric with contrast stitching in silver. The driver's seat also has lumbar support and is fitted with the high adaptive technology, which will also adjust the dampening of the seat by adjusting your own weight at the front. You also have a comfortable and adjustable armrest located on your left hand side, and the center seat is fitted with a really useful extending tray table with a clip holder as well at the front. Over the dashboard you have some storage space onto the left hand side, and on top you have some more storage space with 2 USB Type-A ports, one of which can only be used to charge the phone and the other one can be used both for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and a 3.5mm jack. You have a multifunction steering wheel which can be adjusted as well, both in height and depth. You have an analog dashboard with a digital color trip computer from where you can access multiple features of the vehicle, like all the driving assistance, the radio as well, and the phone, plus navigation indication, and from here you can also access the toggle for the cornering lights, automatically closing the doors, and the automatically operation of the electronic brake. Over the multifunction steering wheel, you have the controls for the trip computer and the infotainment plus voice commands. You also have quick access to all the safety controls, like the automatic forward collision warning and the lane assist. And over to the right hand side, you have the cruise control and speed limiter functions. Over the driver armrest, you have the controls for the power controlled mirrors plus power windows. And then the infotainment is a Iveco Uconnect fitted with TomTom powered navigation, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through the USB Type-A cable as I mentioned before, and the AB radio. You also have access to remote diagnostic of the vehicle, and you also have full access to software updates and assistance straight from the main unit. Underneath you can find the controls for the climate control, which is automatic, and then you have the toggles for the lane keeping assist and the heated mirrors. Underneath you can find the fully integrated tachometer as well. The vehicle is fitted with an 8-speed automatic transmission and an electronic handbrake. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Iveco Daily Transporter. For any enquiries, feel free to contact us.